Today I would like to show you how I transform this boring white door into this custom upgraded door using my Cricut. Let's get started. Today I'm going to be showing you where to find the home decor pre-made labels for the doors if you want those, and also how to create your own in Cricut Design Space. I'm just going to show you on one of my other videos of where to find some of the decals that I've already had made. So if you click on a video of mine and then you click on the description and you say show more, I have the project links here. So this one is the one for all the Cricut Design Space, the names for everything that I've made. And then what it will bring up is this, and then you just hit customize. It is likely going to tell you that you do not have the font that I used installed. If it does, go ahead and say continue, and it will continue to let you edit and make some changes and still be able to print. So don't worry about that notification. If you want to download this font, I did get it off of defont.com. It's called Candle Mustard, but I have a bunch of the pre-made ones for you. So I went ahead and just typed out as many as I could possibly think of that anybody would need. I am more than happy to create extras and add them to this file if you let me know in the comment section below if there's a specific name that you would like, if you like this font. So this is what I have, and this is what it would show. If you only want to print a few or one or two of them, all you need to do is go here to the side, the layers side, and just hit eyeball to hide the ones that you do not want to print, and then it will just print the ones that you want. So if you just want to print the master and the closet, you hide everything else. Make sure that the sizing is what you want. I just honestly made them under 12 inches so it would fit on a standard mat, but measure your door and where you want to put it, and all you need to do is just drag the arrow button to make it bigger or smaller, and then go ahead and click make it, and it will automatically populate up here, and then just hit continue. So again, don't worry about the sign that says, hey, you don't have this font installed. The only thing it will not let you do is create your own without that font installed, or alter the text in the ones that I already have made. So you can't add master bedroom into one single word without downloading the font. So that would be the only thing that you cannot do. You can definitely resize and hide any of the ones that you don't want to print, but you cannot alter the text without downloading. So that's the only thing you cannot do with this specific project. That was the all the names, and then this one is the swirls. So go ahead and click open, and then open Design Space. This is the swirls that I added, and also the little bathroom people if you like that. And so I have two swirls here, and here are the people. If you don't want the kid in the middle, all you need to do is just hide the middle one if you don't want those. And then you can put them closer together when it prints. So I just wanted to show you the basics for this. Again, this is the swirls that I used, but there's all kinds of different ones, and actually this swirl I used specifically is a font. So again, it might also tell you that, hey, you do not have this font installed, you cannot make changes to this project. You can make some changes, you can duplicate, and you can change the sizing, but you cannot change and you can't add a bunch of different ones without this font installed. This font is Nymphette from defont.com as well. They have a lot of different other swirls, but this is the one I use specifically. If you like that one, again, check your sizing and make sure that that is the right size that you would like for your door specifically. These ones were the ones that fit my door, and again, I did need an extra long mat for this, and I needed to have my vinyl on a roll instead of the 12 by 12 inch sheets in order for me to be able to make this successfully. Definitely make sure if you are making your own signs, I just want to show you this real quick. So bathroom, if you like the candle mustard, if you use the end parentheses. If you want the swirl on the end, it's candle mustard. So this is what it would show to begin with. You want to make sure that after you type it in, you hit ungroup and then you move the letters the way you want. And after you have everything, I'm just going to do this quickly just to show you guys. But you want to make sure, especially with a script font, if that is the type of font you're going to use, that you weld your letters prior to printing. That is a very important step, or else every individual letter is going to be cut separately. It's not going to be as nice and smooth. So make sure when you are happy with the way it's lined up, you hit weld. Again, once you weld, you cannot undo it other than right after. So make sure you're happy with it prior to welding. If you attach, it will print it all in order, but it will still have each letter individual. So it's going to have this whole R cut here and then ending here. So if you weld it, that is your best bet for a script font. Again, if it's a regular font, not scripted, welding is not necessary. You can just attach your letters if you want them all in the same order to be able to apply them to your door easily. I just wanted to share with you those quick little tips and tricks. Yeah, I hope you enjoy decorating your house and your doors. I really enjoyed doing this, and I am more than happy to add some other names of rooms or doors that you might have that I may not have thought of. So please comment below. Thank you. Bye.
If you love my mommy's video, give her a thumbs up.